Do you struggle with cracks at wall ceiling junctions? Or those frustrating breaks at transitions between materials, like brick to concrete? These problems are not only costly and time-consuming to repair, they keep coming back. That's where Stucanet Easy Fix makes the difference. The smart, self-adhesive plaster reinforcement designed to prevent cracks at wall ceiling connections, and the reliable solution that eliminates repairs at material transitions, such as brick to concrete. Easy Fix 1, the horizontal decoupling strip for wall-to-ceiling connections and mortar joints. Easy Fix 2, the all-direction solution for transitions between different substrates. Brick to concrete, wall to wall, horizontal or vertical, Easy Fix 2 handles it all. Both products use a proven technique called decoupling. They create a structural separation between plaster and wall/ceiling. This allows independent movement. Stress is reduced. Your plaster stays crack-free for the long term. Stucanet Easy Fix. Fast, reliable, and cost-effective. How to apply. For Easy Fix 1. 1. Prepare the surface, clean, dry, and stable. 2. Cut the strip to length, peel off the protective film, and firmly stick it onto the joint. Position approximate 5 mm below the ceiling. 3. Press and align the mesh. 4. Apply plaster directly, the mesh integrates seamlessly. No additional embedding of mesh required. For Easy Fix 2. Prepare the surface, clean, dry, and stable. 2. Cut the strip to length, peel off the protective film, and firmly stick it onto the joint. 3. Press and align the mesh. 4. Apply plaster directly, the mesh integrates seamlessly. No additional embedding of mesh required. The result? Smooth, professional, crack-free plaster. Perfect for new builds or renovations. With Stucanet Easy Fix, you don't just repair cracks, you prevent them.